Are you covering Grandpa up? Is he the pillow monster? Where'd Grandpa go?
He's not everywhere.
It's not a camera. It's a video. So I'm videotaping you. What's Grandpa doing?
Mommy wants you to have it off.
Well, that's enough for now. Let's do your tea party thing, okay?
You want to play tea party?
You go do your tea party thing.
Today is Friday, November 19th or 18th. And Lucas is sleeping. He's 4 weeks old today. He's snoozing. So sleepy. His hair's a little sweaty. I was just feeding him.